In this video, we are going to draw veggies with the help of the shapes in paint. I am making this video because you like the video of making fruits using shapes, which is in paint. So this is the one. We are going to draw these veggies again with the help of the shape tools in paint. So let's get started. So first we are going to draw the carrot and the radish. For that I will take the curve tool. Guys, I'm going to take the second one. Curve it like this. I am using my curve tool. I'm just going to select this and copy paste so that I can make the radish and carrot. While you are selecting, make sure that you click on the transparent selection option and then you select the object. Copy and paste it again, and then I am just moving it here. Now we can fill the color in our carrot. And then I am going to draw my leaves. Once you are done, again with the transparent selection active, you will select these leaves and then move them here. Similarly, you can make the leaves for now. After that, we are going to draw some tails over carrot as well as the radish. So I'm just going to change my color. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. And then with the help of the brush tool, take the very first line. Now let's draw the onion. So I'm going to take this color and then take the oval tool. After filling the color, I'm going to take my curve tool. Let's draw the hair with the brush. I'm going to take the very first line. Make it a little bushy. Just make it a little bit more darker. Take your curve tool and make the size, of course, the very first one. Now the next we are going to draw the chilies. We will take our curve tool. Now with this figure I can make the chilies, I can make the lady finger. First I'm going to select this, copy it and paste it. Now for making the lady finger, what we will do, we will draw two more lines inside like this. Now let's draw the second one. So again the curve tool, you will draw a line from here to here and then you are going to curve it. Fill in the color. If you want to make multiple, just make sure that you have selected the transparent selection tool, and with the freeform tool, because I can't have the rectangular selection, so I will use my freeform selection tool. Then I'm going to copy and paste it so I can have as many lady fingers as I want. Now let's draw the chilies. Some music is going on around in my neighborhood, so it's very soothing. It's kind of, yeah. Again, for making the cap for my chili, let's draw an oval first. With the help of curve tool again, you will draw a line like this. Now it's time to fill the color within the chili also. With the brush tool and black color, I'm going to draw this structure for my green chili. Fill this color. Now I am going to erase this, and out of my green chili I will make the red chili. So I'm going to select this green chili. I'm going to copy and paste it. Next we are going to draw the tomatoes. I'll take the oval tool. I will fill this. What will happen? The entire black outline will be colored with red. We have to draw the leaves for the tomatoes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw them here. The size, you can take the very first one. Again with the help of the select tool, first I'm going to copy it. So Ctrl C and V and then move it over the tomatoes. Paste again. Right, so this way you can make the leaf easily. and then I'm going to delete this. After making the tomatoes, let's make the brinjal. So for making the brinjal, I will take this color and let's draw two circles. Size, you can change it to 2. Whenever you draw the fruit outline, just take the size to 2. Second one is going to be a little bit bigger in size, and then I want to fill this gap. First fill the brinjal with the color. This is not looking a perfect brinjal, so what I'll do, let me use my magnifying glass, and then with the help of the curve tool I'll draw a line between this and this circle and fix it. Now we have to draw the cap for our brinjal. Now let's draw our last vegetable, which is capsicum. So again, with the help of oval tool, I will take my curve tool and now I'm going to change the color, and with the help of the brush tool again I'm going to draw. Just change the color, and then with this color I'm going to draw curved lines. So now here are my vegetables. I hope you like this video and you will draw beautiful vegetables. If you have drawn different vegetable, write in the comment section which you can draw with the help of the shape. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, click the bell icon. Bye bye. Keep drawing.